Students, we have learned average and range has one of the representative value in the previous classes. Let us learn the other ways of representing the data, that is mode and median. We know that all the data are not same. So different kinds of data means different representation value. What this mode suggests here is nothing but the value that is being occurring most of the time. See, for example, you all have what kind of which brand of pencil. Some will be having Natraja, some will be having Classmate, some will be having Camlin pencils. So in that, most used pencil will be sometimes Camlin, sometimes Natraja, or sometimes Classmate. So which is the most frequently occurring term, that is called as mode. Okay students, this helps for in shopkeepers to order the products, because they will get to know which product is being sold the most, and they can order that products to increase their profit. The next one is median. When the data is given, if you have to divide the given data into equal halves, then you have to choose the middle value such that below that value will be having one set of particular values, and above that will be having one particular set of values. So median is nothing but middle term of the given observation, and here it applies only for odd number of observations like 9, 11, 13, 15, such as odd numbers. So if we have to find a middle term, then we can use this formula, that is n plus 1 by 2 observation. So that observation will be the middle term. Let us understand this concept from this problem. Exercise 3.2, first problem. That is, the given is the marks of 15 students out of 25. These are the marks of 15 students out of 25 marks. We have to find the mode and median of this data, and we have to check whether they are both same. Now let us first find mode and median. To find that, you have to arrange the given data in an order, that is from smaller to bigger or bigger to smaller. Let us arrange this in smaller to bigger format. So, which is the smallest number in this? That is 5. 5 is only one time here, and here the next smaller number will be 10. It is not repeated. 11 is not there. 12 is there here. 13 is not there. 14 is not there. 15 is there. Yeah, 15 is there for once. 15 and 16 is there. 17 is not there. 18 is not there. 19 is there. 20 is here. 1, 2, and 3 and 4 times it is there. So write the 20 4 times. After 20, 21 is not there. 22 is not there. 23 is here. 24 is there. It is not repeated. 25 is there. It repeated twice. Now, whatever the marks we have written here, just for our reference, we will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. One number is missing, right? Here we have 15 marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We have missed out 9 here. Let's write 9 here. So what happens here? 9 will be the third one. 12 will be fourth one. This is fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 are let's correct. Now what is mode here? Mode is nothing but most oftenly occurring term. Most oftenly occurring term over here is, which is the most oftenly occurring term here? 20, because it is repeated 4 times. Mode here is 20. What about the median? We know that median, we have to find median is the middle term. So if we take n is 15 because there are 15 students here. N plus 1 by 2. What is n plus 1 by 2? 15 plus 1 by 2, that is nothing but 16 by 2. That is 8th observation. 8th observation is the middle term here. So 8th observation is 20. Median over here is also 20. See, below 80 is 7 terms and above 8 is 7 terms. So this middle term will divide the given data equally below and above it. Okay students, the second sub question is, are they both same? Is mode and median value same? In this question it is same, but it is not in all the cases. So mode and median are same. Here mode and median are same in this question. Okay students? So students, the next question is, the weights of 15 students of a class are as follows. We have to find the mode and median of this data, and we have to find out, is there more than one mode in the given question. So let us start. So here we have to find the mode and median. So first we have to arrange the data in ascending order or descending order. So which is the lowest number in this data as we see here? So it is varying from 32 to 50 here. So let's take, there is no less number than 32 here. So we start with 32 and the next number 33 is not there. 34 is not there. 35 is there here. 35 is not repeated. 36 is there. 37 is here. 38 is here. And we can find one more 38 here. And one more 38 here. So there are 3 38s in this data. After 38, 39 is not there. 40 is there only one time. 41 is not there. 42 we have the ones. 43 is there. It is repeating thrice here. So 43, 43, 43. Then 44 is not there. 45 is there. And that one is only one time. And after 45, 46 is not there, 47 is not there, 48 is not there, 47 is there. 49 is not there, 50. So they are given, these are the weights of 15 students. If we have 15 values here, then it is correct. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. This also helps us to count the values and during median, picking the median value. So here we can see that mode is nothing but the value which occurs most oftenly. Which is the value that is occurring most oftenly here? 38. 38 is also repeating 3 times. So what is the mode here? Both the values are repeating at the same time. So the mode will be, mode is 38 and 43 both. Okay children? So the next value that we have to find here is median. So to find median, what do? We have learned that to find the median, we can use n plus 1 observation, n plus 1 by 2 observation. So when we see here in this data, the number of observations are 15. So 15 plus 1 by 2 will give us 16 by 2, which is nothing but 8 observation. Okay students? So here 8 observation over here is 40. So 40 is the median of this data, which divides the given data above and below equally. So the median over here is 40. This is the first sub-question they have asked us. Also what we have to find is, they have asked, is there more than one mode? In this question, yes, there is more than one mode because both the values are repeating at the same time. That is 3 times here also, 3 times here also. So the second sub-question is, yes, there is more than one mode. So students, when we see the fifth question, tell whether the statement is true or false. So let us answer this true or false using this question as reference. The mode is always one of the number in a data. So they are asking whether the statement, the mode is always one of the number in data. Let us check here. Mode is nothing but the most oftenly occurring number. So most oftenly occurring number in the data itself. So what is the mode in this question is 38. 38 is picked from the question itself, given value itself. So the fifth question, first answer is true. Mode is one of the number in the given value. So mean is one of the number in a data. Second question is mean is one of the number in a data. So mean is nothing but we have to find the mean and divide by number of observations. Mean sometimes might be from the given data or sometimes other than the given data also. So it is not that mean every time will be chosen from the given data. So it is false. Third one, we have the median is always one of the numbers in data. Of course, median is picked from the given data. That is the middle value of the data. See, 40 is the middle value of the given data. So median is also chosen from the given data itself. True. So fourth question is, the data given is having a mean 9. The data given there is 6, 4, 3, 8, 9, 12, 3, 13 and 9. You have to find whether these numbers are having mean as 9. That's your